Hi everyone, I am Kala Swaminathan and welcome back to Kala's Kalakriti. A very happy Women's Day to all of you out there. In this special edition of Women's Day, I have tried to showcase a few women entrepreneurs who are startup owners, founders and those who have been in business for almost 10 years. Let's listen to their inspiring and motivating stories. Come with me. Let's talk to Janani Nagaraj of Bake Labs and take a look at all the things that she bakes. And let's see what her journey and stories are.
Hi, my name is Janani Nagaraj. I am a chartered accountant by profession and a home baker by passion. I've been in the field of audit for more than 10 plus years, and baking has been my second passion. So, after this lockdown started, something I realized was the fact that managing kids from home. I have two kids, managing their school, managing the home front, managing work, managing the kitchen, the household work without a housemaid. It was too overwhelming at some point of time. So, post the lockdown, I decided to wind down my professional front a little bit and focused more on my baking business. So currently we are having we are operating out of our house under the name Bake Labs. As far as my business strategy is concerned, um, our marketing is primarily word of mouth, Instagram and Facebook, and we bake to order. We don't bake anything upfront. Being an accountant and having been in the field, the production planning, purchase planning, inventory, those are things, costing, pricing, those are things which, you know, it's already there in my strategy list. So that is taken care of. And as far as baking is concerned, I'm the only person handling the baking front, and then my mom and my sister pitch in whenever they find time. I have a plethora of tasters in my family, so all of them taste, including my daughters. They give their feedback. I think kids give the most honest feedback. So, to all the women out there on this Women's Day, I think all of us have our own passion, different in different fields. Like even going an extra step with your kids is your passion. So, identify your passion and then prioritize your passions. You plan your work to the last detail. Be perseverant because there will be a lot of obstacles which come your way, more so because we are women. So be patient to ensure that you are able to balance whatever you want to do in life and you achieve what you want to do in life. Thank you.
Next, here is Rashmi Rajamanikam, and let's see what she has to say about her enterprises. She has two, the Jar Company and Hodophile Outdoors. Let's listen to her.
Hi everybody. Wish you all a very happy Women's Day. This is Rashmi Rajamanikam, and I'd like to introduce myself as somebody who runs two very small startups with almost a decade long corporate career. I quit a couple of months back and took on to my passion of travel and cooking. So two of my startups are in the same line. So one is called Hodophile Outdoors, and we do curated nature and wildlife travel experiences for people. My husband and I are avid travelers and avid wildlife lovers. My husband's a trained wildlife photographer as well. So we've been traveling for almost a decade now, and we've put together all of our experiences to ensure a larger audience get to experience this firsthand, and that was the reason Hodophile Outdoors was born. The second startup that I run is again a complete passion turned business. My passion for cooking and my interest into creating and curating recipes led me into making quick and easy recipes using some of my base sauces and condiments that I make at home. a lot of family and friends have liked it and have asked for it. So that extended into me starting my own line of products. The company is called the Jar Company, and we have a lot of sweet and spicy sauces, which makes cooking easier for people at home. The idea is basically to ensure you have healthy, no preservative spices and condiments and sauces available in your kitchen that can make your cooking really quick, easy, and healthy. That's about me. Wish you all a very, very happy Women's Day, and I hope a lot of women out there get the chance to be able to follow their passion and turn that into a successful business. Good luck.
Here is Sneha Priya, CEO and founder of SP Robotics, and let's listen to her success stories for the last 9 years she's been in business.
Happy Women's Day to everyone. I'm Sneha, co-founder and CEO of SP Robotics. First of all, thanks to Kala ma'am for providing me this opportunity to share my story with all of you on this very special day. To start off, explaining my journey, we have to go back to my college days. So there I was doing my electrical and electronics engineer in College of Engineering Guindy campus, Anna University. So I joined college with all the dreams of doing great stuff, everything practically, no more theoretical stuff. That's how I started off college. But then, though there was all the freedom to do all of that, the curriculum was still very, monotonous. That gave a lot of inspiration to me to kickstart a company which will revolutionize the education space. So that's when I partnered with Pranav, who is the other co-founder of the company. So myself and Pranavan, both of us started SP Robotic Works right out of college. So with the aim to inspire millions and millions of students right from the age of 7-year-olds to get inspired by all the subjects, science, math, whatever you learn from your young age, get inspired by it, fall in love, and really do everything practically before you actually understood and implement the concepts. So that's the primary motto with which we started the company. Today we have 83 branches across India where such learnings are provided, right from not just the basic science, math, but also the technology aspects like robotics, virtual reality, coding, all the tech stuffs which a child should learn for their real future, whether that's waiting for them. So those kind of tech along with fun activities, that's how we teach all the people right from 7-year-olds. And what we have developed is an AI teacher that actually helps train every single child irrespective of where they are located. This AI teacher called Sparky trains people with high quality. So that's where our company stands out from the rest of the crowd. So with this, we are planning to inspire millions of students over the years. So all the best to all of you out there. Looking forward to see a lot more entrepreneurs from the Women Network, and looking to get inspired from all of you.
And all those women who are in the film industry, who are into Carnatic music, who are into dancing, dancers, choreographers, teachers who have taken up teaching dance, who have taken up teaching music, all these women are all most inspiring and motivating to all of us. Hope you enjoyed watching these young women entrepreneurs and their stories. And I'm sure it will encourage you to create your own path, to follow your passion and take a bold step towards achieving your goals. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you do like my videos, do subscribe.